Hi everyone, this is Stephanie of Creatively Miss Me, and today guys I'm participating in a collaboration. Now, this collaboration is entitled the Spring DIY 2019 and is hosted by the DIY Mommy. Now guys, if you haven't heard of a DIY Mommy, I will have her link down below to her channel and also the link to the playlist when it becomes available so that you can view the other participants in this challenge. So guys, if you're interested in finding out about this challenge, stick around. Okay guys, she has simple rules guys. All she asked us to do was to make a spring decor for your home. Be it a door wreath, be it a centerpiece or a flower arrangement, whatever it may be, long as it's spring and it's a DIY. So guys, if you're interested in seeing what I did for this DIY, stick around. We'll be using a wreath. This rabbit I found at Hobby Lobby. Pipe cleaner. One string of the white garland from Big Lots. This bow I made from a Dollar Tree ribbon. It took me a while to make this ribbon that was purchased at Dollar Tree. Is two different rolls. The one with the eggs and then the plaid strapped one. It took me a while to make it because I could only use one hand and hold with the other hand was a bit hard. So you're not going to see me make it on camera, but it's like a 2-ribbon funky bow. An old trusty glue gun and some glue sticks. Okay guys, here is my wreath with a W it will stay attached to. So now I'm going to add my garland. Okay, now all I'm doing is fluffing my bow to make sure everything is hanging the way I want it to hang. Okay, now here is my Easter door wreath. So now I'm going to hang it on the door, and then I'm going to show you guys how it looks on the door. Alright guys, here is the wreath on the door. That came out kind of cute. Had a time with that bow. My hand just wasn't cooperating today, but I thought about gluing the rabbit and I changed my mind and I used twist ties to hold the rabbit on. So here it goes, guys. Here is my DIY spring door wreath. I think it came out cute. So guys, if you know what to do, if you like my content, give the girl a thumbs up, comment, and share my video. If you're not a member of the Creatively Miss Me family, please feel free to click that red button down below. Once you click that red button, you see a bell. Click that bell. Then a notification screen will appear saying send all notifications to this channel. Click that box. And then guys, click save. And you will be notified each and every time I upload a video. And also guys, follow me on my social media accounts. They're listed below on the screen as well as in the description box. And as always guys, this is Stephanie of Creatively Miss Me saying thank you for watching, and you guys be blessed.